Who else is supposed to be out there?
1994
Okay, cool.
ice racing champion.
Alright, you all ready, drivers?
Yeah.
Here we go, on the tone. Alright, it's Larry, Bob, Ned, Rob, Ryan, Larry, AJ,
Okay! What are you doing, man? There you go. Oh. Oh my God.
Thank you.
Alright, so it looks like Bob Lewis is in the lead right now, followed by Ned Bob Schwartzman. We got Ned Bob Schwartz, Ryan, AJ, Tina, Mary.
What? You kept going.
Right, left. Best win so far, Bob Lewis making 35. We are only 1 minute down, so don't freak out yet.
Look at that move by Larry. Puck the right side there.
Bob for his fourth lap, Ned stopping 3 seconds back room, Ryan top fourth, AJ Larry the bell, Larry the bell out ahead of AJ and top fourth now.
Oh!
I was ready that time,
Thanks, buddy. Oh!
Alright, hold on, back in the back again.
All that work for nothing.
Follow Nick still out ahead, and here comes Ned in second. 2.5 seconds behind him, we got Ryan in third, Bob Schwartz in fourth, and Tina, Gary, not Gary. Gary, yeah. Throw me off all the time. Oh! Alright, we got Larry out ahead of Tina now. Looking to play with AJ. Top was Nicky and Ned in first and second still. Here's left. Ryan, Bob Ford. Bob Ford's out ahead of Ryan now. AJ, Larry, Gary, Tina, Gary.
Oh, nice move, Larry.
Just a little more than halfway done.
Get him now, Larry.
Alright, Bob was Nicky still in the lead. There's Ned in second. Let's see, looks like Larry in third, Ryan in fourth. Bob Ford in fifth. We got AJ, Jared, Tina, Gary. That's left so far. Work by Larry LaBelle, 30.45.
Have a point, Larry.
2 minutes left. Hey, Jim. You want to tag out with me real quick? We got to hold but I'm not going to hold my bladder for it.
There's a bucket in there.
We don't
need to know that. Who's going to mark them for us?
Nobody. There is like half a Mountain Dew going this round. It's not my fault.
That's it. No more drinking for
Alright, we
you.
got a minute 20 left on the clock. Bob in the lead, Ned in second, Larry LaBelle in third. Alright, we got Ryan Bob fourth, Jared, AJ.
minute left. Okay, minute go. Still Bob, Ned. Ned, 6 seconds back, and Larry LaBelle is up in the third. Where is he at? Yeah, right here. Brian, Bob, Jared, AJ Pina. So, first place, Bob, the Black River Flames on it. Come over, good jump. Second place would be Ned in the yellow one right there. Larry is right on his tail. 30 seconds. Larry will get her up in that lead. We got to swing past the ripples here. He's going to do a sneak move here. You do it. Or is that going to go? Oh, what a move Larry put on Ned there. Got 11 seconds. That round three and got it. Those two are at a time. You are done. Sorry. I'm watching the battle.
Alright.
Is it going to be Ned, it looks like, or Larry? It will be Ned or Larry. Ryan. Oh, Bob. Final draw, Jared. It'll be Bob and AJ. No, Tina's and AJ. Then Jared. And Gary's done also. So that finished up Bob, Ned, Larry, LaBelle, 0.5 back. Ryan, Bob, Tina, AJ, Jared, and Gary. Good job, guys. Last but not least is the E-Buggy. Everyone is just raced.